When it comes to making money trading arbitrage on exchanges, spotting of those opportunities plays a very significant role. An opportunity like this. So without spotting those opportunities, there is no freaking way that the arbitrage will probably take place for the profit to even be made. So that's the more reason in this video I'm going to be walking you through from start to finish on how to go about spotting these opportunities effectively so as to equally take an advantage of it. So if that sounds like what you're interested in and you literally want to know how to go about all of this, hit the like button for me. Give a follow if you haven't already. Let's get in real fast. And keep in mind, my mentorship in arbitrage is still ongoing. The link is going to be on bio. So basically, there are hundreds, if not thousands, of ways to go about spotting these opportunities. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you the one that do work majority of the time. So open up your browser quickly and head over to Coin Arbitrage Bot. Once you are there, you are going to click on these three lines at the top right corner here, and then you click on Tools, and then you select Arbitrage. After then, you are going to select only the exchanges that is supported in your region, because matter of fact, each country has their supported crypto exchange based off of regulation. So anyone that is not supported in your region, you have to untick it. So that's the more reason I'm unticking all of these ones that is not supported in my region. After you might have selected the one that is supported in your region, your obligation is to now click on best currency. You can also select all or clear all. Let's go over to best currency, and then you select USD as the best currency. After then, you select the minimum arbitrage to be about 1%. Okay, and then you put in this code and then click on submit. So after clicking on submit there, this coin arbitrage bot is going to show you hundreds, if not thousands of opportunities. So your obligation is to do your calculation and know which one seems to be profitable, because this will probably require you to put in the work in order to go about looking for these opportunities individually, because there are hundreds, if not thousands of them. So let me show you how to navigate around this real quick. First off, this is all the exchanges. These are all the exchanges we had selected initially during the course of this opportunity. And at the top, you see the respective coins that they have given to you. Anyone that is showing invalid is not valid, apparently. And we have this one which is called LTC, GRC. The list goes on and on and on. So if you want to spot this opportunity in any of these crypto above, all you will need to do is to look up these exchanges and the prices that has been shown below, and then make the comparison. For an instance, this one is being traded on Whitebit at 0.019764. So you would have to now make the comparison between other exchanges here simply by scrolling down. Okay, and as you can see, L-Bank is at 1952. Meanwhile, this one is at 1976. So that is how this opportunity is spotted. You can do the same for anyone at all. For an instance, LTC, you can go over to that line, that row for LTC, based off of those exchanges. So do your research and know which one is available and make your calculation before doing your implementation. So for me, I had spotted an opportunity between Binance and Bybit. Let me show you how to do it in real time, because matter of fact, it is one thing to spot an opportunity, and it is another thing to do it, practically, because this will now determine the overall outcome of it. So stick around, hit the like button for me. Join our Telegram community. The link is going to as well be on bio. Let's get in real fast. So the currency we'll be making use of is going to be this AAVE apparently. So the opportunity goes like this. This coin is currently being traded on Binance at 271.45 currently, but on Bybit it is trading way more higher, which brings about the opportunity. So all I would do is to buy on Binance and quickly send it over to like Bybit and sell. This will now determine the overall outcome of it, either in profit or in loss. So stick around to find out. So all I'm going to be doing is to use either limit or market to buy this coin. Let's buy it using limits, and I'm going to buy it at the current value, which is about, let's see what Binance got it, because I think there was a little miss out there. 271.55. So that was the price we got it for during the course of this buying. Okay, so right now we will need to quickly send it over to Bybit and sell. And in order to do that, you will click on send via on-chain withdrawal, and then I will choose this coin, and let's ignore this and wait for the address to come up, because we will need to now use either BP20 or ERC20. ERC20 is going to cost us about 1.54, so keep that in mind, because there are fees applicable as well. So that's the more reason you need to now make sure that you check before doing this to know how much the fee will be. So let's see if, okay, it's ERC20. So ERC20 is going to like be 1.54. But in most cases, if the fee is too much, you avoid it. If it is more than $2, avoid it, because it can affect the outcome of it. So this one, I'll be paying about 1.54. So all I will need to do is to send it over, and let's see how this will go. So after the withdrawal might have gone through there, we are going to be waiting for the arrival on Bybit. So that way we will get to sell it quickly and retain the profit. So apparently after a couple of minutes, the withdrawal was now available on our Bybit, so we should be able to sell it off at about 272.98 or thereabout, and it was successfully executed, which will retain some profit right there, although the USDT wasn't executed entirely. So we still have about, I think, up to 30 cents left on our Binance. So if we should add that up, that should be a very cool profit with a little capital, although the fees had to take up the profit. So that's to show you that if the fee wasn't applicable, we would have been making a whole lot from this. So that was all for now. I'll catch you all later. Peace out.